Okay, here we go. Back to the cardio on the exercise bike this time. Over there in the corner, there's my chair that I have and I'm using. This part is not so bad though right here. I've been in it for 3.5 minutes so far, so I'm gonna try to do about 15 minutes and I might not record the whole session, so I'm already winded from the stepper. Trying to get better each day to try to get back to walking again with my cane. It's not easy. There's no excuse though. I will get back to it eventually. Just trying to be patient with everything and with therapy and everything. So, and I'm doing all I can here at home. So, yep. Lovely cardio. Oh boy. And I'm in this process of trying to lose a few pounds so I can be a little lighter on my legs. So we're about 5 minutes in. I might just do about 15 minutes. We'll see. I don't know. See how I'll try to record most of it anyway. Or a good portion, I should say. I don't know. We'll see. I'm out of breath. Oh boy. I hope everybody had a productive day. Mine went pretty good at work today. And now I'm working again on the exercise bike. Working up a good sweat, which I've already started doing a little bit of that on the stepper. And just burning these calories. Yep. Gotta get better. I will get better. There's no doubt about that. I'm determined to get to where I need to go to succeed. Because I'm not gonna let this little setback hold me down for the rest of my life. 44 years old, and I'm trying to make this 2017 the best as of yet. So people always say life is what you make it. That is true, but I guess that's easy to say for the average individual. I'm making the best out of what I've known all of my life, which is having spina bifida. I don't know other anything else than having spina bifida. So I thank God that I can do the things that I'm capable of doing, and I'm sorry that the camera is probably shaking, which is more than likely doing. Just trying to hold the camera up so you guys can see what I'm doing. So, oh boy. It's about 8 minutes in. I'll probably record about a couple more minutes just to make the video a little longer, because I know you guys probably like, why is he recording short videos? Which I do apologize about that. So I'll make this one worth a while. Do the best I can. Hopefully this is worth. Hopefully you guys can see.